If your property does have a modern style extractor fan like this, you need to make sure that you keep it clean, and that means washing the filters regularly, either on a weekly, 2-weekly basis, or whenever you see that they've gone yellow and sticky sometimes after cooking. So you carefully remove the filter, which is this corrugated pad here, and soak it in boiling water and washing up liquid and baking soda for about 10 minutes. Let it cool down, and then use a non-abrasive brush to scrub away any debris. Then when it's dry, you carefully slot it back, like so, and that's it.